Hello everyone and welcome to Children's Storytime. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Today's book is called Smily Shark and the Great Big Hiccup. Far away in the deep rolling ocean, the fish were all in a tiz. Smily Shark had disappeared. "Woohoo! Smily Shark, where are you?" called Angelfish. The friends searched in the swirling seaweed and around the colorful coral, but they couldn't find him anywhere. At last, Octopus spotted him, but poor Smily Shark had lost his smile. "What's wrong, Smily Shark?" asked Starfish. "Hiccup. I can't get rid of these annoying hiccups," Smily Shark grumbled. "I know what to do," cried Angelfish. "When I have hiccups, I swim as fast as I can. That always makes them go away." Whee! With a swoosh and a whoosh, Smily Shark and Angelfish whizzed off as fast as they could swim. But it didn't work. "Oh, please, Starfish, can you help me?" asked Smily Shark. "Of course," said Starfish. "When I have hiccups, I do cartwheels, and that always makes them go away." With a swish and a swirl, they tumbled and twirled together across the sand. But that didn't work either. Hiccup, hiccup. Smily Shark was feeling very dizzy, and he still had the hiccups. "I have an idea," giggled Octopus. He slowly reached out with his twisty, tickly tentacles and tickled Smily Shark on the tummy. Smily Shark wriggled and giggled and jumped and jiggled, but it didn't stop his hiccups. "I know just what will work," smiled Pufferfish. "When I have hiccups, I hold my breath for as long as I can, and that always makes them go away." They both took a big gulp of water and counted 1, 2, 3. "Hooray! My hiccups are gone!" grinned Smily Shark. "Thank you so much, Puffer, hic. Smily Shark's hiccups were back, and they were worse than ever. His tummy jumped and bumped and spun and twirled. Poor Smily Shark was getting grumpy and grumbly. "I'll never get rid of these hiccups," he wailed. "We need a better plan," Starfish suggested. The friends huddled together and whispered. "You have to swim to the back of Big Coral Cave," said Angelfish. "You'll definitely find the cure for hiccups there." "Really?" said Smily Shark. Determined to try, he swam off, still hiccuping gently. Hic. Inside the cave it was dark and rather lonely. Bravely, Smily Shark waited. Hic, and waited and waited. Boo! Arr! Scary surprise chased Smily Shark's hiccups away. "Hooray!" he cheered. "Now we can all play together. Thank you, everyone." "Hic," said Pufferfish.